In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to withdraw cash from an ATM, specifically from a Bank of America machine, using your digital wallet. If you're ready to make your banking a little more seamless and tech-savvy, you're in the right place. Let's go step by step and get this done together. First, you'll want to ensure that your Bank of America debit card is set up in your digital wallet on your smartphone. This will allow you to make contactless transactions, making the whole process fast and secure. Open your digital wallet application. Most phones will have this feature pre-installed, like Apple Wallet or Google Pay. Navigate to the section of the app where your cards are displayed. Select your Bank of America debit card from the available options. This is your primary step in preparation for the ATM interaction. Now that you've selected the appropriate card, it's time to move to the ATM. Once you're there, look for the contactless symbol on the machine. It typically looks like a sideways Wi-Fi symbol. This symbol indicates where to hold your phone. Make sure your phone's NFC feature is turned on. This is what allows your device to communicate wirelessly with the ATM. Hold your phone steady over the contactless symbol and wait for it to connect. You should see a confirmation message or prompt appearing either on the ATM screen or on your phone. Next comes the security step, entering your PIN. When the ATM prompts you, use the keypad on the machine to input your card PIN. This step is crucial for verifying that you are authorized to access the funds from your account. PIN entry is standard procedure and adds an extra layer of security to the transaction. Be careful that no one is overlooking your shoulder as you enter your PIN to protect against potential fraud. After your PIN is accepted, you'll be guided through the withdrawal process. Similar to a regular card transaction, you'll have the option to choose your withdrawal amount. Make sure it's within your daily limit to avoid any issues. Once you've selected the amount, follow through with any on-screen prompts and the ATM will dispense your cash. And there you have it. A cash withdrawal from a Bank of America ATM using nothing but your phone and a digital wallet. It's straightforward, secure, and can make your quick trips out even quicker. Digital wallets are becoming increasingly popular, and being comfortable with them will only benefit you in future transactions. Thanks for following along today, and I hope this guide makes your next ATM visit smooth and tech-friendly.